In this video, I'm going to show you how to add, edit, delete and search the data by using a data entry form. Let's get started. I have some data in Excel. Now I want to add some data by using data entry form. There are a couple of ways that you can get data entry form screen. The first method is to use the shortcut is called Alt D O. So first I'm placing the cursor on my data, then press Alt D O. Then you get some dialog box or pop-up window saying that Microsoft Excel cannot determine which row in our list is the column label. So in this case, because there is no differentiation in terms of format or anything, Excel is thinking that this is also maybe a data. But if you click on OK, then it will treat as the first row as a labels but not as a data. So if I click on OK, then you can see area name, area code, area type as the column, and obviously is on the first record. So the first record is England E92000001, and then the type is the nation. Now if you don't want to see that, if you want to differentiate or organizing and formatting the data, Microsoft have some guidelines. So please refer to this URL where you can organize the data. So for example, to differentiating the format between the column labels and the data, so I'm just going to change the header to some fill color to blue fill color, then font equal to white color. So now there is a differentiation between the data and the column labels. So now if I press Alt D O, now you won't see that error message. So this is one way of invoking the data entry form. Now I want to add a new record. So currently my cursor or my record position is on 1 out of 15 records. So total we've got like 15 records. But the Excel shows as 16, but the first one is a column label, so therefore it's a 15. Now I want to add a new record. So the new record will be added at the end of the table or end of the, so row a record equal to something, then area type equal to region, then click on new. So now you can see the data is added here. Now I want to find the record is called Surrey. So now click on in the data entry form. There is an option called there is a button called criteria. So the criteria, just to type what you want to look for, criteria. Then click on find previous. So your record is currently on the 5th position, and if you want to know out of 16th record, you found one record is in the 5th position, and if you click on find next, and there is no other record with adding with Surrey. Now if you want to delete this record, and then just press the delete button, then you'll get the dialog box saying that display record will be permanently deleted. And watch this here, the record is deleted and also the row is automatically aligned here. There is no empty row here. So this is using the shortcut method to Alt to DO to get the data entry form. Now to create using the form, right click on quick access toolbar and click on customize toolbar. Now here in the popular commands, change it to all commands in the drop down list. So let's say for example you want to add a new custom group in because this is data related, so I would prefer to add that into the data. So I have already created the data entry group before. I'm just going to remove that here. Now I'm going to create a new group called data entry group. So right click on the group name, click and enter the name data entry group. You can give any name, whatever the name that you would prefer, then choose the symbol, then click OK. Then in the all commands, scroll down to F where it shows as form, then add to the group here. You cannot add these commands to the existing groups and you must have to create your custom group. Then click OK. So now to invoke that, click on the data tab, then you can go to this data entry group and then click on the form. Yep, I'm going to redo it again. Customize the ribbon, then remove, then click on the form, click on all comments. So previously I think I have selected some wrong form. So if you look at this form, then form has this icon and this is the correct one. Then click on OK. Sorry, choose the data entry group here. Then click on OK. Now you can see that form is added here. And previously there was a user symbol, but now is a correct form. Click OK. Now go to the data tab. Now you can see the form. Then click on this. Now you got the data entry form. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning.